How to create or make a layout in ArcMap. So previously you will be there are basically two display, the data view and then the layout view. The layout view is where you will produce your map and export. So uh, we're here to create a layout view. So the first thing you will do on the layout view is to go under file and you go to page and print setup. Okay. So you select the paper size you're working on. Let's say you're doing a study area map and you want to put it on A3. Okay, you can just come down here, then you depend on, but this one I think lands and portrait is better. But then you now set scale map element proportionally to change in paper size, in page size. Okay, so let's okay it like that. So the whole thing has turned to an A4 paper size. So what you need to do now is to arrange every other thing that you want and arrange them the way you want. And then already in the previous video we've done this, so we'll just make adjustment to them. Okay, what scale should this be? So let's adjust the scaling. Uh, okay, let's leave it at 3 million. Then this one at, let's make it a scale that is a scale. Okay, let's leave it at this. And then you can come to insert and then you bring your text, that's your heading. So you just type anything so that you can make adjustment to it. Okay, so come under here to make, so let's say study study area map. So you can come to change symbols. Make it bold, do anything you want, change font, change everything, and then you okay. Study area map. If there's anything you want to add, you just add. Then if you want to bring in your not arrow, let's just pick any one, but there are many not arrow. So you want to pick your not arrow, you just bring it. You can drop it here, you can drop it here, anyone. Depends, you can even put it below the inside, but then let's do it this way. Uh, I don't know whether it's proper to put another not arrow on this insert down here, but let's just put it. So you can also put in grid. Okay, let's use this. Let's just make it a tick and let's finish. So we've put grid on the first one. You can do the same here, and then but then it is not advisable when you're doing something that has to do with boundary for you to use UTM. So when you're using but creating boundary, you use you use what is the name, sir? You use when you're creating a map that has to do with boundary, you use, so let's remove this. You don't use this, you use this one, the don't use this UTM measurement or whatever it is. So labels only, and then I'm just hurrying up to have it produced. So you use this, and then you do same here. Bring in your insert, and you bring in your what now? Your legend. And there's basically not much of a legend here. So, but then let's just bring something out. So I have other videos that has to do with all of this editing, uh, editing, but this is too much. Editing legend and all that. So basically, you can bring everything under. You can bring in scale text, scale bar, and all manner of that. But then when you're done and you're satisfied, you hit the export button. So to export on this, let's say we're done with this map. To export it, you come under File and you come down to Export Map, and then you wait. So here you can export in EMF, EPS, AI, PDF, SVG, scalable vector graphics, PNB, JPEG, PNG, and TIF, GIF. So you can export in different formats. So I want to export it just as simply JPEG. Then give it a name, give it a location, and you hit save. So that's all. So for more videos, visit our video archive. What now?